Want to know the real truth about where you should sell in 2025? Amazon, eBay, or Shopify? The answer could literally decide how fast you grow, how much you earn, and where you build real brand or chase sales. Hey everyone, Hardy here from EcomHardy.com. You probably be asking yourself, should I start selling on Amazon, eBay, or launch my own store on Shopify? It's a super common question, and today you're getting a clear answer based on the real facts like fees, traffic, control, and long-term growth. By end of this video, you will know exactly which platform is right fit for you. Let's kick things off with a quick rundown. Amazon is a king of online selling, tons of traffic, trusted by millions, but they own the customers. Take the chunk of your profit and have strict rules. eBay is more relaxed, great for used, niche, and collectible items, still solid traffic, but not as polished and scalable as Amazon. Whereas Shopify, that's your own store. You own the brand. You own the rules or your own rules. But here's the deal. No one is coming unless you invite them. You got to drive more own traffic. So if Amazon is renting a shop in mega mall and eBay is setting up stall at weekends market like Sunday markets, then Shopify is you building your own boutique from scratch. Let's talk about money, because yes, profit matters, right? Amazon takes about 15 to 20% per sale, plus monthly subscription fees, plus FBA storage fees, plus there are other lot of hidden charges. eBay fees are slightly lower, around 12 to 15%, and yet you get more flexibility with payment and shipping. Shopify, on the other hand, you start from the scratch at about $39 per month, depends on which country you are. If you are in Australia, it could be $49 per month, and then they take small cut per transaction. But here is the game changer. There is no marketplace fees. You keep way more of profit, especially when you are bringing your own customers. And guess what? Right now, Shopify is offering a crazy deal where you can try for $1 per month for up to 3 months. That's less than your morning coffee to launch your online store. This deal can end anytime, so grab it while it's hot. Just click on the affiliate link provided in the description below or go to www.ecomhardy.com/Shopify. Now let's talk about the traffic. Amazon has over 300 million active users. That's like Black Friday traffic every single day. On the other hand, eBay still pulls millions, especially for the refurbished, vintage, and niche goodies. Shopify, zip, no built-in traffic. But that also means no limits. You can build your brand through social media, SEO, ads, influencer marketing, and so on. Whatever suits your style. Here is why Shopify shines the most. Control. You control the design, layout, email list, upsell, checkout flows, basically everything. No more dealing with surprises, account suspensions, or policy violations, policy changes that can hurt your sales overnight. On the other hand, eBay, Amazon, and other marketplaces, you have to play by their own rules. When someone buys, guess what? They keep the customer data, not you. You don't have any single data, or even if you have, it's not yours. If you are building the long-term brand that you fully own, Shopify is the gold. But if you want fast sales with minimum setup, Amazon and eBay can get there faster. So here is my take. Just starting out, go with eBay. It's a beginner friendly, less risky. You got some capital and want to scale fast? Try Amazon, especially using FBA program. Want to build brand that's 100% yours and grow something big? Shopify is your best friend. But you gotta learn how to bring the traffic. You can learn all these tips and tricks from EcomHardy YouTube channel. So feel free to subscribe this channel. Bonus tip, why not to do both? Sell on eBay or Amazon and build your Shopify store on this side. Use the profit from marketplaces to run the ads, grow your Shopify brand. So where are you selling in 2025? Let me know in comment box below. I'll read and reply to each and every comments. And if this video helped, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another e-commerce shortcut again. Don't forget, grab Shopify $1 per month deal throughout my affiliate link in the description before it's gone. Thanks for watching. This is Hardy. Stay smart, stay selling, and I will see you in the next one.